Hey everyone! So let's dive right into the buzz around the Samsung F55. Is it the ultimate camera phone? Let's find out. First off, the specs on this thing are pretty impressive. The main camera packs a whopping 50 megapixels. That's right, 50! Whether you're capturing the delicate hues of a sunset or the intricate details of urban architecture, this camera is designed to snap pictures with stunning clarity and vibrant colors. Now, moving on to the ultra-wide lens. It's an 8-megapixel shooter, perfect for when you need that extra field of view. Imagine you're at a concert or trying to capture a sprawling landscape. This lens has got your back. But wait, there's more. The F55 also features a 2-megapixel macro lens. Now this might not sound like much, but it's all about those close-up shots. Flowers, insects, or even the texture on your morning coffee. This lens will make small details pop with precision. And let's not overlook the selfie camera. A 50-megapixel front-facing camera. Selfies, vlogs, video calls, expect them to look sharper than ever. It's like having a professional photo shoot at your fingertips. Switching gears to performance, the F55 is powered by the latest 7th Generation 1 processor. Whether you're gaming, streaming or multitasking, this phone handles it like a breeze. Plus, with options for 8 or 12 GB of RAM, lag is pretty much a thing of the past. So what's my take? The Samsung F55 certainly makes a strong case as a top contender in the camera phone arena. With its powerful specs and versatile camera setup, it's built to cater to photographers and everyday users alike. Whether it's the ultimate camera phone, well, that might just depend on what you're looking for. But one thing's for sure, it's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for tuning in and catch you in the next review.